Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Judy from Judinka NailArt. These are the beautiful collages she prepared. At the end, you can find individual photos and check the description box for links to their videos. On my nails, I'm wearing this gorgeous shy polish called Slate, and I actually applied a matte top coat on this hand. And on this hand is a manicure I created for a nail stamping group that I belong to in Facebook. It's called the Nail Stamping Sisterhood, and the theme was pumpkins. The week before, the theme was apples, and this is the manicure I created. I really like the way it turned out. Since I already had these nails painted, then I wanted to go ahead and use them as a base for today's manicure. I'm going to be using this gorgeous plate from Creative Shop. It's called Ukraine, and I'm going to stamp these images onto my nails. It's going to be a very simple design. I'm using my black Pueen polish. Look at the detail in that image. It's amazing. I love these Creative Shop plates. Now we do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. I want to try to use this nail art brush to draw a little thin line on the tip of each of the nails to bring them all together. And I'm using my left hand to draw, so this is very, very difficult for me because I'm right-handed. Now I'm not sure if I should apply a shiny top coat or a matte top coat to complete the design, or just leave it like this because I really like the way it looks. I decided to just leave the manicure as is without applying a top coat because I really like the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick video. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Here are all the manicures that were prepared for this week's collab. Check the description box for links to their videos. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button.